your love is like a wind that blows. Can't give up and I can't let go. I won't give up, I won't lose. When I'm broken down and I'm bruised.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am doing my Rocker BMX 2019 bike check, and yeah, this might be the best one yet really. So we're going to start at the top. I've got the Hitmane black grips, and they're a bit worn, but grips are normally good when they're like that. I've got them on the oil slick bars that you can buy from Rocker, and then we move down. We've got the stock stem that comes on the Rocker iRock metal, which is one I've got. And then I've got the standard headset, bolts. Then I've got the oil slick forks as well, which, as you might notice in the other video, the crown race isn't actually on. It's just I've just tightened it as much as possible because I hate crown races. So yeah. Then we've got the Rocker metal iRock frame, which is just a normal frame. Got the seat and seat post combo that came with it. Don't really need a new seat. It works perfectly. Then I've got the iRock upgraded cranks, the 3-piece cranks instead, because they work much better than the 1-piece. If you're looking for an upgrade, definitely do it. It's worth it. I don't know if they're still on the Rocker website, but message them, find out. Then I've got the normal sprocket. Then I'm looking to upgrade that maybe. Don't really need to, but possibly. And then I've got the, as you might not actually notice because they're old and stuff. I've got the bubblegum blue and pink Rocker Pro tyres. I got these are the first upgrade I got for this Rocker, and yeah, that was because the tyre blew out. Then I've got the normal black stock wheels, which they work perfectly fine. So I think I ran through that pretty quickly. There's not much else to say, but this is what I'll be riding, and maybe there's an edit coming out, maybe there's not this year, who knows. Keep your eye out for that. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you, I'll leave all the links in the description for all the parts that I've got, so if you want them, you can get them. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Devil in the form of a whore.